Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore an inspection negotiation plan with Zillow reports. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Zillow account. Navigate to the reports section on the dashboard. Look for the specific inspection report related to your property. Click on the report to open it and review the details. Identify any discrepancies or issues highlighted in the report. Take notes on the key points you want to address in the negotiation. Next, prepare a counteroffer based on your findings. Research comparable properties to support your negotiation. Use Zillow's estimated home values as a reference for your arguments. Draft your negotiation plan clearly and concisely. Incorporate your key talking points from the inspection report. Emphasize any necessary repairs and their estimated costs. Consider including timelines for completion of repairs. Once your plan is ready, reach out to the other party involved. Present your findings and negotiation plan in a calm and professional manner. Be open to discussion and flexible during negotiations. Document any agreements made during the negotiation process. Confirm any changes or repairs in writing for clarity. Follow up with the other party after negotiations conclude. Keep a copy of all communications and agreements for your records. Finalize your inspection negotiation plan based on the outcomes. This will ensure a smooth transition into closing your real estate deal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.